Hey, how's it guys, and welcome back to Shoyu Saturdays, where we create easy, simple recipes you can make at home using Aloha Shoyu products. Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu, and today we want to thank Diamond Bakery for allowing us to use their product once again. And if you followed our past recipes before, you noticed that we also used Diamond Bakery's cracker meal in one of our dishes, and that was breaded pork chops with Fanadine sauce. And today we'll be using it again to create Loco Moco. So for today's recipe, you'll be needing, okay, we have ground beef. We'll be seasoning it with onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna season it with salt and black pepper. We'll be adding some eggs. We'll be using Diamond Bakery's cracker meal as a binder. And then we're gonna make our mushroom brown gravy, starting off with some butter. We're gonna make a roux with flour. We're gonna saute white onion, some mushroom. We're gonna add beef stock. And we're also gonna add Aloha Shoyu's original blend. All right guys, it's time to make our mushroom brown gravy. So we're gonna start off with a heated pot for our gravy. Already added some oil to it. We're gonna start off by sauteing our onions. Just gonna let this sweat a little bit until they're nice and translucent. So about a minute to 2 minutes. Now we're just gonna add our mushroom. And they go. Alright. So here I added 4 ounces of butter. And then with flour, with the ratio of flour, you want to try do 1 on 1. So 4 ounces of butter to 4 ounces of flour. Our butter has melted. A little more, then now we'll just add our flour to create the roux. Then just let this cook down. You want to give the flour a chance to cook. Alright, now let's add Aloha Shoyu's original blend. We'll give it salt in it and some flavor. Now that we have our shoyu in, we're going to add our beef stock. So you can add more or less, depending on how thick you want your gravy. So you want to turn up the heat. As you can see, it's a little bit too thick for us. So we're just going to keep on adding more beef stock. So we got our beef stock in, and then at this point, you want to bring it up to a boil. And from the looks of it, it looks kind of good for us. Not too thick, a little runny. We'll just leave this on the side, and it will start off on our beef patties. Let's make our ground beef mixture. We're starting off with ground beef. We're gonna add to this onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna season it with some salt and some black pepper. We're gonna crack 2 eggs into the mixture. Just so that it has a little bit of moisture. We'll add 2 eggs, and then we'll use Diamond Bakery's cracker meal just to bind everything together. And just using our hands, we're just going to mix the mixture until everything is incorporated frying pan nice and hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. And then we'll just put it in to sear. Just like that. We're gonna make 4 patties. There you go. Just let that cook off until you reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees. All right, let's turn these burger patties. Nice and brown, nice and seared. All right, and we'll just let that go for another probably 2 minutes. We'll check it again. We'll do an internal temperature check and to see if we're close to 160. Okay. While this is working, let's start off on our eggs. We're doing 2 eggs. So just add it to the pan. How do you like your Loco Moco? I like it with 2 sunny side eggs. So we have our eggs cooking. We have our gravy already made. And we have our burger patties that we will check our temperature. All right, we're good to go. All right, guys, we got our sunny side up, ready to go. Our brown gravy, and our beef patty. I'll meet you at the table and let's assemble our Loco Moco. Some white rice. We have our gravy. We have our 2 sunny side up eggs and our burger patties. So we'll just take 1 burger patty. You can have 1 or you want to have 2. It's up to you. But I believe 1 patty is good. So we got rice, our burger patty right on top. We'll take our mushroom brown gravy, which is flavored with Aloha Shoyu's original blend. We're gonna ladle a good amount of portion, a good amount of gravy right on top. Wow, looking good. And then we'll finish it off with our 2 sunny side up eggs. And there you have it. Loco Moco. Hey, thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed that iconic recipe of Loco Moco. Thank you to Diamond's Bakery for such a terrific product, and we hope to see you again on another episode of Aloha Shoyu Saturdays.